Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will learn common adjectives used to describe how people look. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. When we want to talk about someone's appearance or how something looks, we use these special adjectives. Let's start by learning the most common ones. First, let's learn positive adjectives that describe attractive or pleasing appearance. Beautiful means attractive and pleasing to look at. Pretty means attractive in a delicate or charming way. Handsome means attractive with strong, masculine features. Gorgeous means strikingly beautiful or very attractive. These four adjectives help us describe people or things in a positive way. Now let's learn negative adjectives used to describe unattractive appearance. Ugly means unpleasant or unattractive to look at. Plain means ordinary, not special or attractive. Unattractive means not appealing or pleasing in appearance. Dull means lacking brightness, interest, or liveliness. These adjectives are used when something is not attractive or pleasant to see. Let's focus on the word beautiful. Beautiful is the most general and formal adjective for describing attractive and pleasing things. You can use it for people, places, objects, or anything that delights the senses. Example 1, she has a beautiful smile. Example 2, he wore a beautiful blue shirt. Example 3, that's a beautiful sunset. Beautiful is very versatile and works in many situations. Now let's learn about pretty. Pretty describes something attractive in a delicate, charming, or appealing way. It is often used for women or feminine things. Pretty is more casual than beautiful. Example 1, she wore a pretty dress to the party. Example 2, that's a pretty flower garden. Example 3, she has pretty blue eyes. Pretty suggests something charming and delicate. Let's explore the word handsome. Handsome describes attractive features with strength and masculinity. It is usually used for men or masculine things. Handsome suggests strong, attractive, and well-defined features. Example 1, he is a handsome man. Example 2, that's a handsome suit. Example 3, she found him very handsome. Handsome is the male equivalent of pretty. Now let's learn about ugly. Ugly means unpleasant or unattractive to look at. It is the opposite of beautiful. Ugly is a strong word and should be used carefully. Example 1, that building is really ugly. Example 2, I don't like that ugly color. Example 3, he thought the painting was ugly. Remember, ugly describes things that are not pleasant to see. Let's compare these adjectives to understand when to use each one. Beautiful is the most general and universal adjective. It works for anything attractive and pleasing. Pretty is more casual and specific to delicate or charming things. Handsome is for strong and masculine attractiveness, usually for men. Ugly is the opposite of all positive adjectives and describes unpleasant appearance. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right word. Now let's practice with some sentences. Sentence 1, she wore a beautiful and pretty dress. Sentence 2, he is a handsome man with strong features. Sentence 3, that building is very ugly and old. Sentence 4, I think she has a beautiful smile. Sentence 5, he looked handsome in his new suit. Try to use these adjectives in your own sentences when describing people and things. Let's review the key points from this lesson. Beautiful means attractive and pleasing, and it is the most general word to use. Pretty means delicate and charming attractiveness. Handsome means strong and masculine attractiveness. Ugly means unpleasant or unattractive appearance. Context matters when choosing which adjective to use. Start practicing using these adjectives in your daily conversations. Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing these adjectives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.